Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking about my wash day essentials. I'm getting tongue-tied on essentials, whatever. So I'm not going to lie to you. I still don't know what is a good shampoo. Long as it gets sudsy and it makes my hair feel clean, it's all good. So what's a good shampoo? If you know, let me know. But anywho, right now, I'm using, on a regular week, if I'm not doing anything fancy, I'm using the Cream of Nature Clay and Charcoal Shampoo. Yeah, it feels good. I don't know the benefits of it, because again, I don't know what a shampoo is just supposed to wash the hair, right? I don't know. So this is what I use. It gets suds, after depend if I don't wash my hair for like 2-3 weeks, which I don't recommend. I'll use this. This is really good. Then I'm gonna talk about deep conditioners. Since I don't know, I've been using since I think I'm into deep conditioning my hair. I've been using SheaMoisture Strengthening Restore Treatment Mask. It's almost done, and so when this is actually done, yeah, it's almost done, I'm gonna move on to another deep conditioning mask because I just want to use something else. I love the smell of it. Anything with peppermint, I'm like a fan. I just gravitate towards it. And then recently I received this. This is not deep condition. I think they said I've used it twice. They said leave it in your hair like while you're in the shower for like 5 minutes and rinse. This is the Moisture Hair Care Shea Butter Hair Mask. Yeah, I just got this, so it's barely new, but I feel like this is going to be my arsenal. I like it, and it makes my hair really easy. What do you call it? Smooth? Like the moisture, the slip. Yes, the slip is really nice. Okay. Now to the CoWash. I've been using, ever since I've been told about we gotta wash your hair because you shouldn't wash your hair every week. So I got Eden Body Work. This is what I use sometimes. It's can't barely see it because the light is so bright, but it's basically it's not a lot left in there because I've been using it for quite a while. And then in a previous video I mentioned Felicia Leatherwood, who is Issa Rae's hairstylist. She said to use another form of a co-wash, Aunt Jackie's Purify Me co-washing. So I used this once so far, and I actually like it. So I just washed my hair, so I'm gonna go back to use this probably this week. So this is like really nice, and it smells great, and it gives a little bit of a lather. This does not give a lather at all, if you like that type of thing. Okay, so the next one I use, a lot of people don't really talk about this brand, but it's called Motions. Okay, a lot of people, I don't know, I don't see any videos talking about Motions. So, but I've used Motions. They have like these for natural textures. So this is like a moisturizing cleanser, aka shampoo. Again, cleanser that I use, and then afterwards I use their smoothing conditioner, which the slip is really amazing. Anytime I'm washing my hair, it's very important for me to have a conditioner where my hair is not in a tangled mess. Again, this 4B, 4C girl likes to get tangled a lot, and I like to keep my hair. I don't want to rip my hair out, That's that. And then in my previous video, I talk about how I spoke briefly on how I sometimes blow dry my hair to trim the ends. So when I do that, because I know I'm going to be applying heat to it, I use another Motions product. It's called Motions product for natural texture heat style cleanser and heat style leave-in conditioner. So I use these two. Well, this is yeah, not sure. Leave-in conditioner. I use these on my wash day when I have to, apply heat. any sort of like, I feel like anytime, even when I have my hair permed, anytime I have to apply heat to it, I always, the devil is not gonna stop me. The video got cut off, but it's fine. Like I was saying, using heat protected shampoo and conditioner and leave-in conditioner helps when you have to be applying, either you're pressing your hair with a straightener or blow drying it, anything like that. I recommend using something like this. Again, I only do that like every 6 months when I have to trim my edges. Okay, because that's the only, I mean, another thing, I don't really go to a hairstylist really, because I live in New York City and it's like $200, and I'm just like, I can actually save up my coins and just do it myself. Okay, because she's okay. Um, Another thing that I use, I should have talked about this from the beginning. It's a pre-wash detangler butter, also by Motions. They are not sponsoring this video, but a lot of this cat phone that I'm using is short out of storage, so it keeps on cutting me off and I have to delete stuff. Anywho's, resuming back. Sometimes I use this, another Motions product, like a pre-wash detangling butter. I haven't used it in a while because I'm trying my best to make sure I don't keep my hair out for a long time, because when I keep my hair out for a long time, it gets knotted and really tangled and thick and coarse, and if it has to come to that, then I'll use this, but it's not something I'll use on a daily, on a consistent day on my wash day. And this is something you use like right before you wash. While your hair is dry, you apply this Y2 comb, try to brush it out or detangle as much as possible, then rinse your hair and then wash it with your regular products. So yep, that's about it. Thank you for listening to me while I talk about all this wash day products that I use. If you feel like I need to add something to this arsenal of mine, let me know. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. Thank you, and I'll talk to you guys later.